So you want to know how to win in territorial.io. I will not play in multiplayer, but in single player. It's easier to start a match exactly when I want to record the video, just because of that, and it's easier to explain. Now, picking a good place to start is actually a very good way of starting and winning. If I start here, I will never be able to grow that much at the beginning, and others will grow a lot, and so I will have a big disadvantage, and I will probably lose. But if I start here, I will have a lot of room for growing. At the beginning, you should do like a small attack of 60, 70, something like that, and then wait until you arrive at around 6 of interest, and from there on you attack with 15 maximum. Why? Because if you attack with everything at the beginning, you will grow a lot, but you will have so little of resources for defending yourself that basically everyone around you is going to attack you and destroy you. The opposite way, if you never attack a little bit and grow, you will have lots of resources, but you will have such a little and small territory that you will not be able to do much. I suggest only attacking weaker opponents or very large opponents that don't have that many resources. I know this is easy, but just don't rush. Take your time, and you will slowly understand why this is one of the best strategies. Of course, there are also other ways of playing, like being very strategic about the way your kingdom and territory grows, but that is also a double-edged sword, because in many situations it will not really grow the way the game will not progress the way you anticipated, and you will find yourself in a corner. So yeah, that's it. You will slowly have to grow and attack, and slowly growing, and that's where you win. There is no secret sauce, really. You just have to play, enjoy the game, and slowly you will learn how to win. But remember to always keep a lot of resources. That's really the only way. The only suggestion that I have, sorry. Well, bye-bye. Maybe we'll see online playing against each other. Bye-bye.